I never thought I'd be here doing this again, but here we are. What's in my bag 2023 edition. Just in case you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Max. Welcome. I stream a lot on YouTube. I used to make a lot of YouTube videos. Now, not so much, but we'll see. If this video does well, maybe I'll be a bit more consistent. I'm really sorry about the crying children in the background, just in case you can hear them. I have closed the windows. This is my bag. There you go. This is a Charles & Keith bag. I believe it's called the Andrea. I'm not too sure. For full transparency as well, I bought this from someone who claims they bought it directly from the manufacturer. So I didn't buy this in the actual Charles & Keith shop. So for all I know, this could actually be fake. But it did come with an inventory number and a barcode. And you can actually watch the video where I unboxed this and one other bag up in the cards, in case you wanted to check the origins of this out. I personally love messenger bags. I like not having to hold my bag by the handle. I like slinging it over my body. First thing that I have with my bag that I want to show you guys is this keychain that actually doesn't come with the bag. This is a keychain from my one and only most cherished Coach bag. It was my first ever grown up designer bag and my only designer bag that I ever own. So I'm very sentimental about it. It's pretty beat up now, but because I wanted to transfer to this newer bag, I brought the keychain and attached it to the bag because I just feel like it suits it a lot and that bag means a lot to me. It has a lot of memories, so clip that on right there. Now to get into the actual contents, because I know you're gonna want to see what it looks like inside. That's just what it looks like. Oh, that was not as smooth as I was hoping. My wallet. I also bought this from the same seller that sold me this bag. That's pretty much it. It opens like this. It's got a backside. And it also has no cash in it. I got some coins though. I don't keep receipts in my wallet. So I also have Unicorn Survival Kit. I put all of my receipts here. I like to keep track of my spending, so I basically just compile all of my receipts here and then I transfer the amounts of how much I've paid into my financial planner. Plus, I heard that it's apparently bad luck to keep your receipts in your wallet. Like, it stops the flow of abundance or something like that. So I have the extra pouch for my receipts. I have a pen in a pen holder. This one's personalized to my name. It was actually given to me as a gift from one of my mom's friends. When I put my pen in my bag and it's just loose like this, I lose it every time. I always lose the pen, and when I need it, I can't find it for some reason. So the pink pen holder helps me spot it easier. Of course, an essential, I have my alcohol bottle and it comes with this leather holder and also a hook. So sometimes when I notice I need to spray my hands a lot because, I don't know, I'm out and touching things, for example, instead of keeping this in the bag, sometimes I'll just hook it onto the actual hardware like this. So I can just like reach down and let go and then do this, you know? I don't have to like unzip my bag, pull it out, spray, and then put it back in and zip it back up. I have my card holder that has me and my boyfriend's picture in the back. I'm a big Sanrio fan. Cinema Roll is my favorite. This is my key holder. So it's basically like a tiny wallet for your house keys, and I keep my house key in this. It also has the hook, so sometimes I just hook it onto my bag so that I can pull it out easily when I get home and stick that key in there. Following the Sanrio train, this is another bag full of stuff. So this is a Kiki and Lala little twin stars pouch that I got from Japan Home Center. It was like 88 pesos only. If you're a Sanrio fan like me, Japan Home Center / Daiso is the place to be. Let me tell ya. So many cute official Sanrio things for super cheap. Marami ang laman. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the latest additions that I have added into what I carry with me on the go. Skincare sachets and testers. Now, I have been in a situation many a time where I'm wearing a full face of makeup and I go home to my boyfriend's house because I hang out with him and his siblings a lot. I go home there and I want to wash my face off, and I usually have a makeup wipe with me, so I use the makeup wipe to wash off my makeup, to take off my makeup, but my makeup is never fully off because face wipes, you know, makeup removal wipes, they just don't do the thing, you know, they don't do the job of fully properly removing your makeup. Plus it drags your skin and all that jazz, and it's just, sometimes it's painful, especially when you're trying to remove your mascara. Anyway, I'm rambling. My boyfriend's sister gave me a bunch of their samples slash freebies, and I had the brilliant idea of taking everything I need with me to remove my makeup and do my skincare through these sachets. But I just felt like I was super giga brain cell for thinking about it. Cleansing oil, cleansing foam, a serum ampule, moisturizer, and 2 packets of foundation just in case there's like a surprise outing that I didn't know about and I didn't do my makeup. At least I'll have foundation on me to even out my skin tone. In addition to the foundation packets, I always usually take a tint, like some kind of multi-use makeup item. The lighting is changing, please excuse me, but this is from Naturel. They're a really affordable but really wonderful local makeup brand. If you're on TikTok and makeup TikTok here in the Philippines, you would know what Naturel is. I have the shades Acacia and Ilaya. I found that Acacia works really well for me as a blush and for my lips. So the idea is, if I do get caught off guard and it turns out we are going out and I want to look a little bit more done up, I will put the foundation on, then I'll put Acacia on my cheeks as blush and Acacia and Ilaya on my lips. And usually I take an eyelash curler with me as well, so I'll just curl my lashes and that's it. Makeup done. Roasted green tea, just in case I want tea, you know. It's good for bloating and it's good for your digestive system. Of course, I have my laminated vaccine card, right? It jingles, so it's easy to find. 2 more Sanrio packets. These are mini Ziplocs, reusable Ziplocs. So in this one, I keep my eyeglasses cleaner cloth. In this one, I have a mirror, also Sanrio, Hello Kitty. The matching pair of tweezers that came with it. I also bought the mirror and this, it's a whole bundle, the mirror and the tweezers. I bought it for like 150 pesos also from Japan Home Center. And I have an extra elastic band if I need to tie my hair up and I didn't get to bring a hair tie. I have that just in case. Mini tissue packet, more Sanrio things. So these are basically medicine boxes. It's little twin stars. You can take out the dividers for this. So in one of them, I do have emergency medicine with me just in case I have a headache or I start to feel sick. In the second one, I have cotton buds, because I can't tell you how often cotton buds have become such a handy tool to have with me. I have used them for more than just cleaning my ears, okay? I've used them to actually clean my items. They're so handy. Do not underestimate the power of a cotton bud. Paper soap in case you get stuck in a really dirty bathroom and you don't trust the soap they have there, or they just don't have soap in the bathroom in general. Paper soap. Perfumes, because I like to smell good. This is a 10 ml decant of the Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar Body Mist. This one was part of a L'Occitane gift box that was given to me years ago from Christmas. I don't know what L'Occitane perfume it is, but it's a very floral scent. And lastly, I've only recently started to get into body care, and I was gifted this Cath Kidston Cassis and Rose hand cream. I love hand cream now. I'm on a mission to go buy more hand cream and have like a variation of scents just for myself to take with me. Lastly, ever since I bought this, I have been taking this with me everywhere I go. This is my Kindle. This was gifted to me by myself and my boyfriend for my birthday last year. I have a goal to read 5 books this year. I used to read so many books in a year, but I kind of lost the skill to read quickly. So I've been easing into it, and the Kindle has been very handy for me because I take this with me everywhere. So if I'm waiting in line somewhere or I'm just chilling in the mall, I'll just pull this out and I'll start reading my book. And it's handy because the book I'm currently reading right now is 700 pages. Can you imagine carrying a 700-page book with you everywhere just in case you might want to read it? I really enjoy the Kindle. I do not regret purchasing it at all. I really do feel like it's worth it. So just in case any of you were thinking about it. You can also watch me unbox this on my channel right there. So I still have it. I'm still using it. I love it. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that was in my bag. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Leave me a comment if you can. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. But I do stream every week, 3 times a week. So if you want to talk to me live, if you want to have a chat with me or watch me stream, I play video games all the time on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Whenever the next one is. Bye!